So a new version of Minecraft has come out and now you're looking to update your Minecraft server. Well, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to take you very quickly through all the steps that you need to go through to get your server updated without risking your world, and also making sure that you have backup in case something does go wrong. Now, I'm personally hosting my Minecraft server on a remote Linux server, but even so, the steps that I'm going to take you through are exactly the same as what you would do if you were hosting locally on your own Windows machine or even on your own Linux machine as well. The only difference is I'll be doing some remote stuff as well, but the same steps apply. And it all boils down to 3 different things that you need to do. The first thing that you need to do is turn off your server and back it up. So back up your world file, your current server file, everything like that. Make sure you've got a full backup. Once you've done that, you then want to download the new server file and rename the old one. So download the new server file into the same folders that you have all of your Minecraft server files, rename the old server.jar file so that's no longer being used, and then you just need to start the server up again. And that really is it. It is as simple as that, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do that in a Linux environment, but again, the same steps also apply in Windows. So you can see here on this interface that we have a Minecraft server running, and you can see here that my Minecraft account has joined the game, and just to prove that, here I am on my server. If I press F3, you can see up at the top right there, we've got the Minecraft version, which at the moment is 1.21.10. That is the old version currently because 1.21.11 just came out. So I don't need to be logged into the server anymore. Let's disconnect. Let's go into my terminal here. Now, obviously, if you're running the server locally on your Windows machine, you just need to turn off the server. In this case, I'm just going to type in stop, and that's going to stop the server, and that's clear my Linux interface. So what we need to do is basically navigate through to the folder where all of our Minecraft files are, and we need to identify which files we need to back up. Now, the safe bet really to do is, if I show you what I've done here, is literally just to back up the full folder. Once you've done that, you backed up everything inside that folder, you've got a backup. If something goes wrong, you can then go back to that backup. So now that I've got a backup, what I then want to do is, like I said, I want to rename that old server file. So in my case, because I'm on Linux, I would just do mv server.jar server old. Actually, no, I think the better thing to do actually is actually give it the version name. That's 1.21.10. That's the old version. So if I then press enter, list my files, you can see there that that old server.jar file is no longer there because it's been renamed, and it's now been renamed to server 1.21.10. So I know that that's the old jar, and if I do need to go back to it, I know it's right there. So the next thing we need to do is go to the Minecraft website, and we want to download this latest version of the Minecraft server files. Now, obviously, if you're hosting locally, then all you need to do is just click that button and it will download the server files. Because I'm hosting remotely on a Linux server, instead what I'm going to do is copy link address, go back to my server, and let's type in sudo wget and then paste that link. If I press enter, it's going to ask me for my password. And there we go, it's now downloaded that new file. And obviously I've still got the old server file there, the server.jar file, but I've also got my new one as well. So now that that's downloaded, if I go back to the Minecraft server page, just grab the command. Obviously, if you're using a batch file or a bash file to start the server up, then you'll need to make sure that you rename this server file, server.jar, to whatever is referenced within that file, or change the file, but obviously much easier to rename the file instead. But either way, grab that command, copy that in, and then let's make sure that it just replicates that same name of the new file, which is just, for me, server.jar. Press enter. So that's now starting the server process, and that should go through without any issues. And we can see there that it's prepared level. That's not created a new one because I didn't rename my world file, so that is the same world file. And if I go back to my Minecraft instance, if I refresh, you can see here it's telling me I'm on the wrong version. That's absolutely expected. So let's quit game, get my Minecraft launcher back up. There we go. We can see we're on 1.21.11 multiplayer, and it has carried across the server details, which is really cool. So if I press play now, And there we go, we're in. If I press F3, you can see we're now on 121.11. And that's it. That is how easy it is to get your Minecraft server updated. So I hope this has helped. And even if you're not on a remote Linux server, hopefully the steps are still applicable to you and you can see how you do the same thing in Windows or your local Linux machine. I hope that helps, and bye for now.